What is going on? Braden Flynn here from Film Supply Club. Going to be shooting the Hasselblad Xpan with some Ektar 100. Also going to be shooting a little bit of Pentax 6.7. I'm out in Michigan for a gig and thought I'd go do some exploration and take some photos to share with you. So let's go see how it goes. Would love to hear what you've been thinking about Kodak Ektar. And we know the Hasselblad Xpan is a rad one. This is my favorite camera to shoot any sort of landscape or just destination stuff. I love this camera. But Kodak Ektar is beautiful. Yeah, would just love to hear, what are your thoughts on the film? Do you like it? When would you shoot it? Have you shot it? All those sort of things. Or do you not like it? Why? We are here as a resource for you to help you learn more about film, different cameras. Is there anything that you want to hear about? Anything, any comparisons you want us to do? Love to hear your thoughts on Kodak Ektar. I have been loving it for landscape shots, for any time that I'm on when I'm traveling. It has more contrast, there's a bit more saturation, but it's just been, I think it's really beautiful film. You gotta shoot it mostly, I mean, it's a 100-speed film, tripod with really slow shutter, or it's gotta be pretty bright day. But I love it. We'd love to hear your thoughts down below, what you think about it. When would you shoot it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Why? But yeah, this is a quick short one. We've got a couple videos at the end, on the end screen, that I'll link to other Ektar videos that have some comparisons about that compared to Portra 400 or Portra 160. Stay tuned, keep on shooting film. Thanks tons for watching, appreciate you. We'll see you on the next one.